How to knit a scarf for beginners. I was introduced to a looping yarn, so if you want to knit a scarf in a half hour, let's begin. I have 2 skeins of loop yarn. Pull out yarn and count 9 loops. You could take more loops if you want a scarf wider. Mine is 9 loops. Take the 10th loop and pull it through the 9th loop. Repeat across the 9 loops and repeat across the other direction until you run out of yarn and your scarf reaches your desired length. When you reach the end, you will still have a row of opened loops. Choose the farthest loop on the end, pull the next loop through it, repeat across the width of the scarf. Cut the last loop open. Thread this piece through the loops to hide it. Now it's finished. And don't forget to like, follow, and share if you don't want to miss the videos like that. Thank you.